मैम प्राप्त करने का समझ नहीं आ रहा था। मैम की आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही थी।
यस विनायक,
मैम क्राफ्टिंग क्लास में कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तो मैम क्या कह रही थी कि क्या बनाना है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा और मैम की आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही।
कॉपी बेटे कॉपी अभी नहीं निकालनी है, बुक निकालनी है।
मैम क्राफ्ट की क्लास में मैम की आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही थी, इस वजह से पता नहीं था उन्होंने क्या वर्क दिया है।
ओके, तो मैम को मैसेज कर दीजिएगा कि वो ग्रुप में आपको वर्क डाल देंगी, जो भी काम उन्होंने
मैम
दिया है।
क्राफ्ट की क्लास मैम उनका नंबर तो नहीं है मेरे पास।
ग्रुप में है, क्लास ग्रुप में मैम इज देयर इन द क्लास ग्रुप। मैम जे गौतम करके हैं और एडमिन है वो।
ठीक, ओके मैम।
ओके, ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, वली इज स्ट्रेट।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, तो क्या ना
यस सो मच।
कौन सा आंसर सब लोग कर तो गए ना।
कौन से क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर चुके?
थिंग्स अराउंड अस।
थिंग्स अराउंड के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर लिए हमने।
यस यस मैम।
We have completed all the question answers.
यस मैम।
Okay, that's very good. If you've already completed, then that's good.
तो गए मैम, बस मैजिक फॉलो कर लिया हम लोग ने।
Yes, Inaya?
बस मैजिक एक्सक्यूज लिया।
Inaya, you send me your question answers today on personal.
ओके मैम।
Okay. Right, now let's finish with the exercises, page 27.
मैम एक्सरसाइज हम लोग कर चुके हैं।
Okay, then let's revise it. Okay, Omash?
ओके मैम।
Yes, come on. Let's quickly revise it. Okay. Living things need food. True or false? Omash? True. Very good. Mahira? Next one, Mahira. Plants and animals are non-living things.
False.
Plants and animals are non-living thing. False. Okay, right. Ayat Heather? Non-living things produce babies. Non-living things produce babies.
No.
No, that is false. Okay, ask Aradhya the next one. A car is a living thing. Aradhya,
Yes मैम।
a car is a living thing.
Two.
कार इज अ लिविंग थिंग। कल हमने आप लोग को समझाया था प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स, पीपल, हम लोग जो है वी आर लिविंग थिंग्स। सो कार इज अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग, इट कैन नॉट मूव ऑन इट्स ओन, इट कैन नॉट ईट। यस, सो
False.
false. Car is a living thing, false. All right, Hassan, the next one. Ready, Hassan?
Yes मैम।
Fill in the blanks. Birds are dash things. Living things or non-living things?
Non-living things.
Birds are living things, right? Visual, the next one. Non-living things dash breathe. Do or do not?
False मैम।
Non-living things dash breathe. You have to fill in the blank. Do or do not? नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, कल हमने आप लोग को समझाया था ना, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कुछ नहीं कर सकते, दे कैन नॉट। सो डू नॉट, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स डू नॉट ब्रीथ। ओके वली, द नेक्स्ट वन. Mountains and dash are natural things. Mountains and dash are natural things. Buses, rocks. Your options are buses or rocks. rocks. Mountains and rocks are natural things. Okay. Ali, the next one. Ali Altamash. Dash
Yes,
things
ma'am.
grow. Dash things grow. Living things or non-living things?
Living thing.
Living things grow. Okay. Arab. Arab. The last one. A book is a dash thing. Man-made or natural?
Yes, ma'am.
The last fill in the blank, child. A book is a dash thing. Man-made or natural?
Ma'am, man-made.
Man-made. Book is a man-made thing. Okay, very good. Please make sure you write over there learn on both the exercises. Have you written learn? Yes, very good. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Now it says match the following. You have some pictures giving here. You have to match the living things and the non-living things. The first picture, what is there on the first picture? What is the first picture showing you, Shivansh?
Ma'am, elephant.
Okay, elephant. It is a living thing or a non-living thing? Shivansh?
Left.
Living. So draw a line towards living thing. Match it by drawing the line. Match it by drawing a line over there. Just a small line. You don't have to make a very big one. Living thing. Have you done it? See here. Just draw one line. Next, Rishita, pencil. Rishita, pencil is a living thing or a non-living thing?
Nothing.
Pencil is a living thing or a non-living thing?
Not living.
Non-living. So draw a line towards non-living. All right, Vaishnavi, the next picture is a car. Can you tell me, is it a living thing or a non-living thing?
Non-living thing.
Non-living thing. Very good. So again, draw a line there. Then you have a nice little dog over there, little puppy. Ria, can you tell me, is that a living thing or a non-living thing?
Ma'am, thing.
Living thing. Okay, so draw a line. Ayat Rizvi, the last picture, you have a book over there. Ayat Rizvi, the last picture, you have a book over there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it a living thing or a non-living thing?
Non-living thing, ma'am.
It's a non-living thing, so draw a line there. Rudraksh, you did not join in the first period. What happened?
Ma'am, मैं था.
You did not answer for your name. You were not there. I never saw you. लिस्ट में आपका नाम कहीं पर नहीं था
मैंने
बेटे.
बोला था.
लिस्ट में आपका नेम कहीं पे नहीं था. मेरे पास
मैम, मैंने बोला था.
साइड में जो लिस्ट आती है उस लिस्ट में रुद्राक्ष का नेम नहीं था. आज आपने
मैम, मेरे भाई का था.
आपने किसी और आईडी से ज्वाइन करा आज. Make sure that you're using the same ID to join every day, all right? Don't use different IDs. It becomes
Okay, ma'am.
very difficult, children, then. And remember, you have to attend all the classes now. ये नहीं कि आपने एक क्लास अटेंड करी, दूसरी क्लास में आप एब्सेंट हो गए और आपको अटेंडेंस मिल जाएगी. नो. अगर आपने एक क्लास अटेंड करी, दूसरी क्लास में आप एब्सेंट हैं, तो फिर आप एब्सेंट होंगे फॉर द डे. Right? Father has said you have to attend all the classes. If you are attending one class, you have to attend all the classes. राइट। और अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, मम्मी पापा को ऑफिस जाना है या कुछ और काम है, तो आपको मम्मी से बोलना है कि मुझे पर्सनल पर इन्फॉर्म कर दें वो, राइट। ओके, नाउ पेज number 29. You have the picture of a flower given there. Look at that beautiful flower over there, and it is incomplete. You have to complete that flower. You have to complete that flower. Take your pencil, complete the flower. Put your pencil on number 1. Vali, take your pencil, put it on number 1 and start joining it. Complete the picture. Complete that picture. Hassan, you have to do your work yourself, child. Hriday, do it yourself, not mummy. पेरेंट्स जब तक बच्चे अपने आप काम नहीं करेंगे, सीखेंगे नहीं. All of you have to do it yourself. Hardik, you finished? Take your pencil, join the dots. Lift
Ma'am,
up.
I have done.
All right.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, that's very
Ma'am,
nice.
I have done.
Now,
Ma'am, I have done.
now pick
Ma'am,
up
I have
your
done.
color pencils. Take your color pencils and color the flower. Take your.
Ma'am, I have done.
Shubh, you have done the coloring also?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done it.
Those who've done the coloring, now you sit quietly. Those who haven't, you please finish it now. And remember, you have to use pencil colors, children. Pencil colors, not crayons in the book, pencil colors. Make sure you're using pencil colors.
Ma'am, I have a pencil color.
Yes, Ishanvi, you begin with your pencil colors.
Ma'am, I don't have pencil colors.
Arav, now it's high time, child.
Ma'am,
You
I
should please try and get the pencil colors, okay?
have pencil.
Those who don't have pencil colors, please buy the colors now. Small packet, you don't have to buy the big ones, just a small packet of pencil colors. Okay, you don't need to buy the very big ones. The small ones will do.
मैम आज मेरे लिए कुछ वर्क भेज दीजिएगा. मैम.
Yes.
मैम. मैम.
Yes, Ane.
वो फ्लावर को कौन सी कलर से करना है?
Any color that you like. Any color that you like. Remember the leaves you color with green. Leaves color with green, children.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Complete the flower. Hassan, finish coloring the flower. Do it.
Yes, ma'am.
You finished? Let me see. Lift your book. Let me see. You haven't colored it. Now start coloring it. Start coloring it, Hassan. Okay? Start coloring it. Make sure you do the leaves green color.
Nancy.
Show it to me, Umash. Okay, that's looking pretty. That's looking pretty.
Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
good. Prashasti, you finished?
Sorry. I have done
Okay.
it. Ma'am, I done work.
Okay, Hardik is also done. Good, Hardik. Aya, that's looking nice. Yes. You all are all very good artists, I must say. Very good in drawing and coloring. Beautiful coloring and drawing you all are doing.
Excuse me.
Yes, Ronik.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ronik.
मैम डन थोड़ा सा डाटा लिए ए भेज के नंबर मैम
नंबर्स ज्वाइन करने हैं. फ्लावर पेटल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद कलर करना है.
मैम विच नंबर
पेज नंबर
मैम
29.
डन
Rudraksh. Rudraksh. I can see your
मैम
picture,
विच
child. And please, I humbly request you, do not shout. Aratya, Rudraksh, please do not shout. Okay? Now, once you finish with the drawing, once you finish
मैम
with,
आई हैव
yes,
डन
children, you don't have to shout. Just lift your book and show it to me. I can see it on the screen. Vali, have you finished? Ishanvi, I can see yours. Vaishnavi, I can see yours. Yes. Okay. Kriday has finished. All right, Kriday, that's looking nice. Shivansh, let me see yours. Shivansh has made the flower petals all different colors. Shivansh, have you seen a flower like this with different color petals?
यस मैम
Yes. What is the name of that
यस
flower? What is the name of that flower? आपने ऐसा फ्लावर देखा है जिसके सारे पेटल्स अलग अलग कलर के हैं? Shivansh, if you have seen, it is very good. Then you should know the name also. Yes, Vinayak, I can see. Yes, Vinayak, I can see.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have done my work.
Yes, Aradhya. Okay, Shanvi is also done. All right. Now, you know, children, once you complete with the flower, now the next lesson that we are going to do is plants around us. We'll be talking about plants and flowers.
Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
yes, Rishita,
My is done.
yours is also done. Okay, that's good. All right, that's looking nice. See, I made you do the flowers now today. Now the next lesson that we are going to do, we are going to talk about plants and flowers. The next lesson that we are going to do is all about plants and flowers. Okay? So today you complete this. In the next science period, we'll begin with the next lesson.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes, Arav.
I have done.
Oh, that's looking pretty good.
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
I have done my work.
All right, Priya. I can see it's looking nice. Good. Now, children, I hope this lesson is clear to you. Things around us, living things, non-living things, natural things. If I ask you, Hassan, come on, name two natural things quickly. Let me see if you remember. Hassan, two natural things.
Ma'am.
Mountains and?
Plants, ma'am.
Okay, plants and mountains. Okay, Rudraksh, name two non-living things.
Excuse me, ma'am. Bed. Bed. Chair. I have done my
Bed
work.
and chair. Okay, very good. Yes, Prashasti, you finished your work. That's good. All right, Ane, name any two man-made things.
Two.
Two man-made things जो मैन ने बनाई है चीज़ें. नेम एनी टू. आपके रूम में बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं. आपके सामने बुक्स है. बुक्स आर मैन मेड. यस, बुक्स आर मैन
Yes, ma'am.
मेड. Books have been made by man. Chair, table, bed. Okay, these are all man-made things. Children, I revised this lesson again after the unit test because I wanted you to remember everything. हमने unit test से पहले जितना cover किया था उसको हमने अभी इस chapter को इसीलिए दोबारा revise करा है, so that you remember things. Now make sure that since we've already finished with the question answers, please learn up the question answers also. Any day I'll take a revision test. You know ma'am takes test also. So any day I'll take a revision test. Any day I'll be taking your revision test. Make sure you learn it up.
Ma'am, I have learned.
Okay Naya, that's very good. So please make sure that you learn all the question answers.
मैम कौन सा चैप्टर लर्न कर रहे हैं?
Things around us. You will revise the lesson things around us very nicely. Now, yesterday's maths work also you have completed, all of you. The numbers. Okay. Now listen carefully. Every day. Yes, Ronek? Okay, that's good. I can see. I can see. Children, remember, कैंपस केयर ऐप जो है आपका, उसमें डेली आपकी अटेंडेंस और होमवर्क आपका जो है सब कुछ उसमें अपलोड होता है. सो यू कैन टेल योर पेरेंट्स टू स्टार्ट यूजिंग कैंपस केयर. होमवर्क कैंपस केयर पर डेली अपलोड करते हैं हम. क्लास ग्रुप में भी डालते हैं, कैंपस केयर पे भी डालते हैं. सो यू कैन सी द होमवर्क फ्रॉम देयर एवरी डे, राइट, एंड इवन योर अटेंडेंस. Anya, do you manage to join? There must have been some network problem. Anya?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
We have done, Anya, we've done page number 29. The flower that is there, we've done that, and we just revised the exercises on page number 27.
yes, ma'am.
All right. We've just done a little revision,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Now, children, your art activity. I've already sent you the activity for the month of July. All of you have gone through that activity. Some of you have drawn the pictures and sent to me also. Make sure जब आप ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं, जब आप ड्राइंग करेंगे, कलरिंग करेंगे, उस समय मम्मी से बोलिएगा आपका एक 1 मिनट का वीडियो ज़रूर बनाएंगी जिसमें आप काम करते हुए दिखें। राइट, ऑल ऑफ यू। शिवांश, आपने अपना वीडियो बनाया था जब आपने ड्राइंग करी थी?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The others also make sure when you're doing a drawing, make a video of 1 minute. और अच्छे से कलरिंग करिएगा। और आपको करना है, मम्मी को नहीं करना है। This activity is for you. Yes, हार्दिक? Yes, हार्दिक?
ड्राइंग में क्या भेजना है?
हार्दिक, मैंने 1 जुलाई को जुलाई की एक्टिविटी ग्रुप में पोस्ट करी थी। मम्मी से बोलिएगा ग्रुप में चेक करेंगी। 1 जुलाई का जो वर्क पोस्ट हुआ है उसमें मैंने एक्टिविटी पोस्ट करी है।
तो पोस्ट करना है।
ओके, सो यू विल मेक श्योर दैट। यस आन्या?
मैम,
यस इनाया?
मैम किस टाइम भेजना है?
It has to come to me by the 20th. All the details are given over there. Okay, use pencil colors. Use pencil colors. Coloring has to be done by you. Okay, the drawing, coloring, everything has to be done by you. सब कुछ आपको करना है. That activity is for you. So make sure you do it nicely.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Just a second, Inaya. Visual.
मैम crayons यूज नहीं कर सकते?
Crayons.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you don't have pencil colors, then you can use crayons. Alright? If you don't have pencil colors, then you can use crayons. Yes, Vali?
Okay, ma'am.
Vali?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vali? Vali, I can't hear you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Inaya, just a second. I'm trying to hear Vali. Vali, you message me on personal. There's a lot of disturbance at your end, child. I cannot hear anything. Okay? Tell mommy to message me on personal. Yes, Anya? Anya, do you want to say something? Your mic is on.
Ma'am, please see.
Yes, Visual, I can see. Alright, Inaya, what were you asking? Yes?
Ma'am, I have done now.
Alright, good. It's looking nice. Shivansh, where are you? You're not in your place? Shivansh, you're not there? Shivansh, you are not in the class. You've left your place and gone.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Alright, children. So with that, we've finished with your class. Right? We'll meet again tomorrow. Our next period. Get ready for your next class. Yes, I can see. It's looking nice. Prashasti. It's looking nice, child. Okay. So, good morning and thank you, children. We'll meet again tomorrow. Right?
Thank you, ma'am.